Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about a new control flow statement which has been added to the Python version 3 from 3.10 onwards. Earlier Python we have if else if ladder, nested if. Now we have this match control flow statement which is much similar to our switch statement in C and Java language, right? Now let us see how exactly the switch has been implemented in case of Python with the help of the match. Now if you see here, this is not there earlier. This has been introduced from the version Python 3.10 onwards. Which was much similar to your if else if ladder, but with the help of this match statement you can betterly handle the conditional logic. There you can replace the if else if structure. We will discuss the couple of examples. You can understand how exactly this will be there. So first we will see the syntax of the match object. So the syntax of the match object, first match, see all are the small letters, then followed by your expression, then you will have your case literals, let us say literal L1, then you will have some set of statements S1, S2, see this must be aligned, then you can have one more case L2, then S3, S4, right? Then in case of C or Java, the default case we make it as with the star, right? Similarly here also have the default case, that also we will discuss. This is how you have to use your match statement in the Python. Let's open Python IDLE environment. There we will try a couple of examples. New, let us save this name as match. Now so let us see the basic example. I will make it as with the weekday. Enter value between 0 to 5. Match day. Case 0. I will make it as print Monday. Case 1, print Tuesday. Case 2, print Wednesday. Case 3, print Thursday. Case 4, print Friday. Case 5, print Saturday. Right, so this is what I have done. So I have accepted a input day which I converted into integer, then I start with the match, then I have that literal day, then I have the different cases from 0 to 5. So let us execute it. Yeah, I am going to enter for Friday. Now you have to understand the difference between the switch in C, switch in Java and match in Python. In case of C and Java, at the end of the each case statement we will have the break. Here there is no break is required. Whatever the case literal is matched, within that case literal whatever the statements are there, that statements will get executed. You no need to worry about the break statement. Whereas in case of C and Java we must keep the break, right? But whereas that is not the case in case of Python. In case of Python. Now sir, how I can write the default statement? Let us see the default statement. Case underscore, then print, yeah, let me make it as default. Now let me run this, run module, then I am going to give some 10. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, let me execute it again. Run module. Now I will enter 9 default, right? So in case of C and Java we will use the star symbol, whereas in case of Python we will use the underscore for the default value. Underscore for the what? Default value. So this is what is about match. And what else it can do is, yeah, we will try with the different program now. Let us take one new one, save. I will make it as match 1. Now let me accept a input, int input. So I am accepting the x, match x, case x, if x mod to double equal to 0, then I make it as print even. Case x, if x mod to double equal to 1, print odd. This is what I have written. Now let's see, run module. Yeah, close it. Run module. Let me give 5 is an odd. So you can have the God conditions also in the case, whereas that is not possible in case of C and Java. Whereas that is not possible in case of C and Java. So this sort of program you cannot write in case of C and Java, in case of switch statement, whereas the Python can accept. Now we will see the another example for this match. New. Let me save this as match 2. X equal to, I am making it as an input. Now see, match X. Case, I will make it as Monday. If it is Monday, then I will print first day. Right. Now case Tuesday, print Tuesday. Right. Case Wednesday, print Wednesday. Case Thursday, print Thursday. Yeah, sorry, here we will make it as let us say second day. Let me make it as third day, and here let me make it as fourth day. So with that we will close it. Now let us run this program. Let us check whether it is going to work with the strings or not. Yeah, I am going to pass Monday. Monday is the first day. Strings, in case of C and Java, the switch can only work with the constant or the integer constants are the literals. Integer constants are the literals. Whereas in case of match object in Python, it can work with the strings also. It can work with the strings also. Let us see what else it can do. Now x equal to, I am making it as a 2.1, then match x, then case 2.1, print 2.1. Now if at all it is 2.2, print I will make it as 2.2. Now let us execute. We will see whether the case literal supported by floating point or not. Yes, whereas the same one is not supported in case of C and Java. Remember, the case literal can be a floating point value also. Case literal can be a floating point value also. We will also try with the other true. This I will make it as a what? True. This I will make it as a what? False. Now we will see whether the case literals can be boolean values or not. Yes, the boolean values are also working. Now we will also check with the complex numbers. Will it supported by complex numbers or not? So if the x is equal to complex 2 comma 3, now I will make this as complex 2 comma 3, and this is complex 2 comma 4. If it is a complex 2 comma 3, it has to print true. If it is a 2 comma 4, it has to print false. Let us see will it work or not. Yeah, see, the complex number not supported by this match object. Complex number is not supported by this match object. Now let us see is there any other is supported by this match object. Now I want to check the vowels. Now x is equal to a means vowel. A, E, I, O are the vowels, and the rest of are the what? Consonants. Rest of are the what? Constant. Match x, case A, R, E, R, I. Let us see will it work or not. Print vowels, right? I am not writing fully logic, just I am writing sample one. Then if it is any other, I will make it as a what? Not vowel. Not vowel. Now let me run this. Yeah, this or is not accepting here. Now let me check in another way. Yeah, I am using this symbol. Let us try this also. Yes, so when you want to match the multiple patterns with the case, yes, you can use that vertical bar. You can use this vertical bar. Let me finish this logic. Right, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. If A, E, I, O, U not means it is not an vowel. Now run module. Let me give capital I. So capital I is, oh sorry, let me run it again. Since A, E has been already given, right, now I will take it dynamically. Input, run module. Now I am entering the value I. So I is a what? Vowel. So since it is a case sensitive, right, is if you want to work with the capital also, you have to include the what? This, right? This is what you have to do, right? I is also required, right? Yeah, I also have added. Now it doesn't matter whether you entered in capitals or smalls, since for the case we have applied the multiple patterns, vowels, right? So this is what something about your match object in the Python. In the next class we will see some other topic. Thank you.